Welcome back to our series on woman empowerment. Today, we celebrate the tapestry of diversity that enriches our world and empowers us all. We come from different backgrounds, cultures, ethnicities, and experiences. We speak different languages, practice different religions, and possess unique talents and abilities. This diversity is not a weakness, it is our strength. In Galatians 3:28, we find a profound message of unity and inclusion. There is neither Jew nor Greek, there is neither slave nor free, there is no male and female, for you are all one in Christ Jesus. This verse reminds us that although we are diverse in our outward appearances and individual journeys, we are ultimately united in our humanity and our relationship with God. We are all daughters of the same Creator, deserving of love, respect, and equal opportunity. Embracing diversity requires acknowledging and appreciating our differences. It means celebrating the unique perspectives, experiences, and contributions that each woman brings to the table. It means listening to each other's stories with open hearts and minds, seeking to understand and learn from each other. Diversity is not just about differences, it's about unity. It's about recognizing our common humanity and finding strength in the collective wisdom of our diverse voices. As we embrace diversity, we create a world where every woman feels safe, valued, and empowered to reach her full potential. We create a world where our differences are celebrated and become a source of strength, not division. Let us use our voices to challenge discrimination and injustice. Let us stand in solidarity with each other, regardless of our differences. Let us create a world where every woman can rise and shine, empowered by the strength of diversity.